Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Webull for beginners step by step so you can start investing without feeling overwhelmed. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple investing guides like this. Now let's get started. So first, download the Webull app and create your account. You'll need to enter your personal details, verify your identity, and link your bank account. Once that's done, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now let's break everything down step by step. Step 1. Understand your dashboard. When you open Webull, you'll see your home screen. This includes market news, trending stocks, watch lists, and portfolio overview. Take a moment to get familiar with it. This is where everything starts. Step 2. Search for stocks. At the top of the app, there's a search bar. Tap it and type the name or ticker symbol of any stock you want. For example, Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Once you tap a stock, you'll see its chart, price, news, and community discussions. Step 3. Learn before you buy. Before investing, always check price history, company news, and general trend of the stock. Webull gives you charts and data, so use them. Don't rush into buying. Step 4. Place a trade. Buy stock. Now you'll choose order type, market, or limit, how many shares or how much money you want to invest. If you're a beginner, market orders are simpler because they execute immediately. Thanks to fractional shares, you can start with small amounts like $5 or $10 instead of buying a full share. Step 5. Confirm your order. Double-check everything. Correct stock, correct amount, and order type. Then tap Confirm Buy. That's it. You now own part of the company. Step 6. Track your portfolio. Go to your Portfolio tab to see all your investments. Here, you can track your profit and loss, total value, and individual stock performance. You can also add stocks to your watch list to monitor them more easily. Step 7. Use extra tools. Beginner tip. Webull has powerful tools you should slowly learn. Charts and indicators, price alerts, paper trading, practice mode, and stock screeners. Start simple first, then explore these over time. Quick tips. Start small, don't invest large amounts right away. Always research a stock before buying. Avoid emotional decisions based on hype or news. Use ETFs if you want safer long-term investing. Try paper trading before using real money. Don't check your portfolio every few minutes. Focus on long-term growth, not quick profits. Diversify your investments instead of putting money in one stock. So that's a complete beginner guide on how to use Webull step by step. Once you understand the basics, the app becomes much easier to use. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.